Hi children, good morning. This is Naveena. Children, now we have learned so much about factors, multiples and some divisibility rules, right? Now we are going to talk about something very interesting. Those are nothing but common factors and common multiples. Now children, we might be thinking that what is that mean of common factors and common multiples, right? These are basically those numbers with some factors or some multiples. Do you think that two numbers can have same multiples? Yes, of course they can have. For this children, let us do one thing. We will try to find the common multiples of 2 and 3 here. Children, in previous video lessons, you people learn how to find the multiples of any number, right? Here, I am writing the multiples of 2 first and then I am writing the multiples of 3 first and then I am going to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. Let us see how it is. Okay. What are the multiples of 2? Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like that and so on. And what are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on like that. Now, how to find out a common multiple here? First of all, if you take 2, 2 is a multiple of 2 but not a multiple of 3. So, 2 is not a common multiple of 2 and 3. If you take 4 also, 4 is not a common multiple of 2 and 3. But in case of 6 is a multiple of 2 and also a multiple of 3. So, we can say that 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. Like that, 12 is also a common multiple of 2 and 3. And next we will get 18. 18 is also a common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay. So we can say that we are having 6, 12, 18 and so on are common multiples of 2 and 3. Now children, what about common factors? Do you think that, that 2 and 3 might have common factors also? Yes, for that, let us try to write the factors of 2 and 3 first and then try to find the common factors. Okay. So, everyone knows how to write the factors, right? Uh, First, write the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are 1 and 2 because 2 is a prime number. Okay. And even factors of 3 are 1 comma 3 because this is also a prime number. Now, if you see the factors of 2 and 3, we are having 1 as a common factor, right? So, we can say that common factors of 2 and 3 is 1, right? What is the common factor? 1 is the common factor of 2 and 3. Like this, we have to find the common factors. And children, please note that if any two numbers having only 1 as a common factor, we call them as co-prime numbers. Okay. 2 and 3, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, all these are co-prime numbers. Okay. Okay children, understood what are common factors? uh, Children, now let us find common factors and common multiples with one more example. Here I am taking 4 and 8. Okay. What are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. And multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on like that. And if you observe, the common multiples of 4 and 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on, right? Uh, so, so children, now since here I have written only till here. If we keep writing more, we will continue to get more common multiples, right? Because we already learned that multiples of any number is infinite. Any number is infinite. So common multiples are also infinite. Now coming to the factors. What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are nothing but 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. If you observe, common factors of 4 and 8 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 4 and 8. And you people learned that factors are finite. Okay. You understood how to find the common factors and multiples of any two numbers, no children. Let us try with one more example, finding the common factors and multiples for more than two numbers. Okay. Uh, Children, now we are finding the common factors and multiples of any three numbers. I am taking 5, 15 and 25. Here, first find the multiples of 5, then find the multiples of 15 and then find the multiples of 25, and then find the find the common multiples of 5, 15 and 25. Okay. What are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on like that. And what are the multiples of 15? Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. And multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 like that. Now if you observe, we are having very few numbers here. We can see very few common multiples here, because I wrote only a few steps of multiples. If you observe children, from all the three numbers, we are having a 75 as a common multiple, right? After 75, if you write more multiples, you will get 150 as a common multiple, and then 225 as a common multiple. Like that, you are having so many common multiples, because we already learned that multiples are infinite, so common multiples are also infinite. Okay. See, this is the same process for two numbers, three numbers, or if you take more than three numbers also. Like this, you can find the common multiples of any numbers. Okay, children, understood? Now, what? Sorry. Children, now we are finding the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. First write the factors of 5, then write the factors of 15 and then for 25 also. First, what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1 and 5, because 5 is a prime number. We have only two factors for that number. And coming to 15, 15 have 1, 3, 5, 15 as a factors. And for 25, factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. If you observe from all the three numbers, we are having 1 and 5 as a common factors, right? Only 1 and 5 we are having as a common factors. So we can say that the common factors for 5, 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Okay, children? Hope you got the point, ma. Children, you people learn how to find the common factors and common multiples for two numbers or more than two numbers, and what are co-primes also you people learned in this video lesson. Ma. Now you have to finish, you have to practice exercise 3.4 and try to complete this page number 58. We have some try this concept, try to finish this also. And if you have any doubts regarding common factors and common multiples, you can clarify when in your online class. Okay, online live classes. Okay, children, have a good day. Thank you, dear. Bye.